Alright, this is a tutorial on how to get death message blocks working with data defeat. First off, you're going to download the files that I have included. You're going to want to go to your HLAE folder. Make sure this is extracted. Make sure it's not a zip. It's actually like an actual folder on your hard drive. And you're going to want to go ahead and replace the AFX hook gold source.dll with the one that I have included. So go ahead and just drag it into this folder and replace the current one. And then go ahead and load up HLAE. I'm just assuming that you know how to use HLAE with this tutorial. One more thing you're going to want to be doing is you're going to want to get your movie config to have these couple binds in it. And I'll show you why in a moment. So I bound F5 to death notice time 1 and F6 to death notice time 10,000. All right, let's jump into data defeat. Load up your demo. And the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go merv_list players. And what this is going to do is it's going to list the ID of every player included in the server. If it's HLAE, this will be important. But if it's a first-person demo, you can always just go to the local player index is 13, which this is twists, which is 13. So once you find the player that you want to isolate with the death messages, go ahead and type merv_death message space block, and we're going to do exclamation 13 means it's going to block everything that is not twist, and it's going to block, let's see, asterisk, space asterisk, and just hit enter. And what that'll do is you'll see in your upper right hand corner as you start getting kills that it's only displaying that player. Now I have the 10,000 death message block on right now, so those will stay up for pretty much the whole demo. But there is a glitch that I want to show you, so let me just find some kind of clip. I think this is a clip right here. You'll notice that those death messages are all up there, and this is the beginning of the clip, let's say. We don't want that. We want to start out with no death messages to make it clear that this is the beginning of a new clip. So I'm going to go ahead and hit F5 to set death message time to 1. And these aren't going to go away until Twist gets one more kill. So I'm going to go ahead and play it. Let him get another kill here. There we go. Now it's set to 1. So as soon as that happens, you want to see they're disappeared. You want to get to the beginning of your clip, which let's just say it is right here. Okay, and now I'm going to hit F6 to set it to 10,000. Go ahead and play it, and I'll start recording. I didn't time this out very well, sorry, but I'll get some kills here soon. All right, there we go. So, Thompson kill, and there were other kills and deaths in that time frame, but it's not going to display them. That's pretty much all there is to it.